Leads can be assigned to you from the agency, and it's super exciting. You see this little bell up here. You'll get notification that a lead has been assigned to you, and you can click on it. And then you can see that the agency, it's come over from the agency. It's been assigned to yourself. Your name will be here. And this is, all the information that you know right now. This customer, though, is put into your customer profiles. So you can click here to go to the customer profiles. So let's say you've reached out to them by email. You've been working with them. They've decided to go to Disney World. Exciting. So now what you want to do is make sure that you convert this to a reservation. Because this lead was assigned to you, by converting it to a reservation, that's going to allow you and your agency owner to track it with this little converted lead. Obviously now you're going to need to put in all the information just like you do on a regular reservation, because that's what this has been turned into. So put everything in here, hit save, and it's going to track it that this was a converted lead from your agency.